Hey guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to split screen on Windows 11. So for the first, click on to Start, Power option, Settings, then showing here to All setting option. Go to System, click on and choose the first option. Enable this option and put your mouse from this area, then showing here to this option, 2, 3 or 4 option. I'm selecting this, then showing here to my display, then showing here to my display split screen on Windows 11. So that's it. That's how we can do it. If in this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe our tutorial channel for more video.